Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious sauce Kalalou. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh okra, 1 bunch of leafy greens like spinach, and your preferred protein, perhaps some crab or shrimp. Also, prepare 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. Don't forget your seasonings: 1 teaspoon of thyme, salt, and black pepper to taste, plus 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 1 cup of water or broth. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Start by washing and slicing your 1 pound of fresh okra into half-inch pieces. Next, thoroughly clean and chop your leafy greens. Mince your 3 cloves of garlic and finely dice the 1 onion and 1 bell pepper. If you're adding protein like crab or shrimp, make sure it's cleaned and prepared according to its type. This careful preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Time to cook. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Sauté your diced onions, minced garlic, and bell peppers until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Add the sliced okra and chopped leafy greens, cooking until they begin to soften. Now, stir in your protein, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and season with salt and black pepper. Pour in 1 cup of water or broth, bring to a simmer, and cook for 20 minutes. Your sauce Kalalou is almost ready. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference. This rich and flavorful sauce is traditionally served warm over a bed of fluffy white rice, or alongside some crusty bread to soak up all the delicious juices. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro. Enjoy this comforting and authentic dish you've just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.